Sell before the weekend challenge.
What's going on, guys? David here with you, and the weekend is drawing nigh, and so we're going to be doing a sell it before the weekend ends challenge. Going to go on Craigslist, going to go on Facebook, and I'm going to purchase a washer or dryer, washer and dryer set. I don't know yet. We're going to get on there and see what the weekend beholds, but we're going to film it. We're going to clean it up. We're going to put it back on the market, and we're going to see if we can sell it before the weekend ends. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all of the subscribers to my channel. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We also got the appliance repair advertising blueprint that we were getting ready to bundle up. Going to be working on that this weekend. So, hey, I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see y'all in the next clip.